In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 extremely useful English phrasal verbs that English speakers use in conversations all the time. Before we start, make sure you get your 7-day free email course about phrasal verbs from the video description. Okay, let's get started. Phrasal verb number 1 is to come up with. To come up with means to think of an idea, a plan, or a solution. She came up with a brilliant marketing strategy. So she thought of this idea that I really like. To run out of something. It means that you use all of something and you've got nothing left. I've run out of milk. I have used all of it and I don't have any milk left in my fridge. To come across. It means to find something or to meet somebody by chance when you didn't plan to do it. I came across an old letter in the drawer. So I wasn't looking for it, but I found it by chance. To carry on. To carry on means to continue doing something. They carried on talking despite the noise. So they continued. They didn't stop. The next one is to put off. It means to postpone something when you decide to do it later than expected. We had to put off the meeting, so we had to delay it. They put off the trip because of bad weather, so they decided to do it later, to delay it. To make something up means to invent something, like a story. He made up a silly excuse. So he invented an excuse. She made up a song on the spot. She invented this song. She created it there and then. To give up means to stop doing something, often because it's too difficult. I gave up trying to fix my printer. So it was too hard and I had to stop trying. You can also give up a habit. He gave up smoking last year. To find out means to discover or learn something. I just found out about the party, so I just learned this new information. To set up means to arrange something or to organize something. Can you set up the chairs for the event? Can you arrange them in the room? To check out. To check out means to examine something or to look at it in detail. Check out this new app. So look at it in detail and see how it works. Did you check out that article I mentioned to you last week? So did you look at it and did you examine it? Okay, time for a little quiz. Which answer is correct? If you run out of milk, what do you need to do? Do you need to throw it away, buy some more, drink it faster, or freeze it? Which answer is correct? You need to buy some more, because to run out of something means that you used it all and you don't have any left. What does it mean to give up? Does it mean to keep trying? To stop doing something? To give someone a present? Or to wake up early? To give up means to stop doing something. To put off a meeting means to cancel it forever, finish it early, make it happen sooner, or delay it. Which one is correct? It means to delay it. If you come across an old photo, you look for it, lose it, find it unexpectedly, or destroy it. Which one is correct? To come across means to find something unexpectedly. Which phrasal verb from this video was new to you? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to get your free email course about English phrasal verbs from the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!